In this video, I am going to tell you about the Instagram Reels feature, and we are starting right now. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Akhilan from AkhilanTech, and guys, as you know that the TikTok app has been banned in India. Most of the Indian developers are trying to just get the alternative for the TikTok app, and also the US based company, that is the Instagram, also brought the Instagram Reels feature that is built in the Instagram app, and it is an alternative for the TikTok app. Actually, this Instagram Reels was already launched in Brazil in November 2019, but recently it was launched in India too. So I'm going to just give the overview of this Instagram Reels app, and also I'm going to share my experience with this Instagram Reels app, and also how to use this Instagram Reels feature in the Instagram app. So let's get started. So guys, for using this Instagram Reel features, first you have to open the Instagram app and have to just go into your profile page. So guys, if you have still not followed me on the Instagram, you can just follow me on the Instagram, so that I'll post some of the tech updates and some of the images that you might be interested in. So after going into your profile page, you have to just click on this home button. After you have clicked on that, on the top you can see the your story icon. You have to just click on your story. After you have clicked on your story icon, here you can see you have the three options down. First one is a live, means if you want to go to live you can use that option. Second one is a story, if you want to keep any stories you can use that. And third one is a Reels feature. This is the feature we are going to use now. For that, just click on get started, and you can see the Reels feature have been activated. On the top left side you have the settings icon. If you want to hide your reels from showing to another person, you can do that, and you can even save to your gallery, and you can share this story into your Facebook also. Like that, you have some of the settings there. And next one is the flash on flash off button, and the third one is the into button. If you click on that, you will be exited out of the Instagram Reels feature. And on the left side you have the audio feature. If you click on that, if you want to just add in your music, then you can use this one. And you can see you have so many music here, and you can even browse for music. Just click on search and you can browse your music, your favorite music, and you can add into your Instagram Reels feature. Let's get back of that. And you can see you also have the effects feature. You can see if you just move this one, you can apply the effects feature. Not all the features have been added in this Instagram Reels feature. It is still in the beta version, just for testing. So many effects are still to be added, because we cannot find those many effects as we have seen in the TikTok app. So it takes time to add those features, you have to wait for that. And the next one you have there the timer. You can even adjust the timer. As you know, the TikTok also increased the time to 1 minute. Here only you can record till 15 seconds or less than 15 seconds. You cannot record more than 15 seconds. You have to just click on set timer, or you can even click on clear timer if you don't want to add any timer. So in this way you can add your own video into your Instagram Reels feature. And that's all from this video. If you find this video is informative, drop us a like down below and share this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to AkhilanTech YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell icon, so that you will be reminded every time I post a new video in my YouTube channel. And also don't forget to watch this video out there, because it will be more interesting. And that's it from me today. See you next time.